Hey there everybody. In these different videos I want to go over some best practices to make your content run more reliably overall on any device, but especially on weaker devices like Pis and Fire Sticks and Android smart TVs. In this example, like in most cases, I have a bunch of content that's already running on my displays, but I'm seeing some issues where my displays aren't running as smoothly as they could, so I'm going to dig in to see what I can change to get them to run better. So first is resolution. Weaker devices like Fire Sticks and Pis and smart TVs, they can technically run at a 4K resolution, which is 3840 by 2160, but we don't recommend it. The reason for that is it takes a lot of computing power to draw high-resolution content, even more to scale it in real time. The best way to think of it is it takes roughly 4 times more computing power to render in 4K than in 1080p. 1080p is 1K, 4K is 4K, 4K is 4 1080p's. So if you go into your display settings here, and in my example here, I'm going to go to my Windows machine, and you see that your display is running at 4K, and if we scroll down here on the left, I can go to my resolution right there, and we can see it's listed as 3840 by 2160, which is 4K, and it doesn't need to be in 4K. You can go into the operating systems of your media player, in this example, like I said, Windows, and you can bump it down to 1920 by 1080 in the operating system, and then restart the whole computer, which will restart the player. You'll likely see a big difference in playback quality right away.